Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is a delightful and timeless Christmas classic that is perfect to play on the piano, bringing festive cheer to any gathering. Its lively melody and easy-to-follow rhythm make it enjoyable for piano players of all levels, while its playful energy captures the magic of the holiday season. The song's narrative charm and uplifting chords make it ideal for sing-alongs, creating joyful moments for family and friends. Whether you're performing for an audience or enjoying it as a personal project, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is sure to light up your holiday repertoire, just like Rudolph's shiny red nose. Practice the C major significant scale before trying to play the tune. Scales help you become comfortable with the notes used in the piece. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Pada paga sada pa pada pada pa sa ni ma pa ma re ni da pa pada pada pa da ga pada paga sada pa pada pada pa sa ni ma pa ma re ni da pa pada pada pa ri sa. Da da sa da pa ga pa ma dha pa ma ga re re pa da ni 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 sa sa ni da pa ma re pa da pa ga sa da pa da pa sa ni ma pa ma re ni da pa pada pada pa ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.